silver market broke 14-year highs. What's next for silver and how we can make good trades out of this market? Hey guys, I'm Steven. I'm a trend forward. Today I'll be discussing what's happening on the silver market. As you guys could see that recently silver prices broke 14-year high at around $39.13 and prices continues to stay higher and goes bullish after today. And we are still seeing signs that prices could continue to go higher. And basically what we are seeing is we are still seeing the uptrend on this market is still very clear. Prices have still the room to go higher. And right now, we are also seeing that there's a little bit of a factor that has been coming into play that helped to push up value of silver. One, we are seeing that the US dollar index is vanishing, weakening. And two, we also see that trade deals is almost done everywhere, especially with the most recent coming out from Japan. And that certainly helped to push up silver prices, where silver has a lot of industrial applications. And if trade uncertainty started to disappear, we can actually see that silver market will be going higher on the market. So what's next for the silver market price movement? So as you guys could see, prices has already been moving higher than the consolidations and this year's highs as well. And there's a potential we could hit our long-term target at $40, which we have already been sharing multiple times on our short videos with you guys on here. So definitely, if you guys want to do trades, prepare to do your long positions on these silver trades. And if you guys are confused and don't know how you guys could do your trades, you guys are welcome to join my premium trades, where I'll be sharing the idea on how you guys could execute your trade and make some good profits together with us. But if you guys wanted to know more about market analysis on other trading assets, you guys are also welcome to join my streaming sessions on YouTube and TikTok, 6:30 to 8 p.m. Singapore on time. See you guys there.